Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt, tōku ingoa. I'm here with a game from our online membership subscription site based on our book Te Reo Singalong. So this book is all about speaking Māori in different places and all the different vocabulary there, speaking Māori at the beach, etc., so that we're just not speaking Māori in the classroom. And so we've got this on the website, on the online subscription site, where you can print out these, the callers card, the bingo cards, print another copy of this to make your bingo cards however you like them, find your own counters, and then I'm going to demonstrate a little bit of the game for you right now. You understand bingo, but here's how it goes. So I'm going to turn over the first one and I'll say pūrere hua, and so if somebody's got the pūrere hua, this person does, they'll cover it with their counter and I'll put that there. Then I'm going to turn over puka puka. See who, oh, this person's got that one. Puka puka, book. And it depends on the age of the children and the level of understanding of te reo Māori, but it's a great one for learning vocabulary. The next one I turn over is miraka, milk. All right, so that person's got that one. And then I've got he rākau, tree. So there's lots of opportunities here for practicing. And does anyone know what that is? And somebody will say tree. Matapihi is window. So we'll put that one there and put that on the matapihi. You might say tātua. Now, especially if you've been doing this book, somebody might know that that's seatbelt. Nobody's got it here. Ārai, that's curtains. Nobody's got that one. Let's see if anyone's got opuru, and somebody might look at the picture and say cushion, and then if you're going for 3 in a row, they'll say bingo. You could go for 3 this way or that way or diagonally, or they might want to fill in the whole 9. So that gives you an idea of how the game's played, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Ka kite.